This is Dawn Reby, and on behalf of NHTSA and analysts, I want to invite you to our very last session, session number 3 of our Automation A to Z series. So this session, session 3, is all about macros, right? It is all about creating these systems in Excel and in Access where you can press a button and a bunch of processes are done for you automatically. How does that sound? No more cleaning, no more sorting, no more mixing and matching and all that junk. You set up your macros and it does it for you automatically. So what I'd like you to do right now is register using the link below. Register for session 3 of this series. This is the last session of the series, so please take full advantage of all of these automation strategies that we are hand delivering to you. Once you register, you're gonna get your registration information, which will include all of the tools from the library that are related to this particular session. So I look forward to seeing you in our live sessions. Dates and times are listed below, so I look forward to seeing you there.